guys, it's Laura and welcome back to my channel. Now, as you know, I usually post bullet journaling and stuff, but today I thought that it would be really fun to bring you with me to decorating my room. As you can see, I did not hide anything. It is exactly the way that I kept it, and I thought it would be a really good opportunity to decorate a bit. So first we're going to start with one of my most favorite things with bullet journaling, and that is shopping. I went to a lot of stores that sell decor, but none of them really spoke to me, so I basically sticked only to what I had at home. And honestly, I just bought two stuff and I will show you later. But now we are going to this amazing store that is called Home. It is not any kind of promo or anything. They just have amazing stuff, and I was surprised that even now already they are having such a beautiful Christmas collection. And seriously, some of their Christmassy stuff were so amazing, but I'm keeping that for December, of course. Then I went to this other store that is also just selling decorations, and the items that I bought was from there. And now I'm showing you the items. So first is this organizer. It's golden, it's such a beautiful one. And the second is this little trinket. It doesn't have a purpose. I think it can be for candles, but I'm just gonna keep something in it, we'll see. And now guys, we are really starting to redecorate our room. And how I started first was basically just removing all of those stuff from my desk and putting them on the floor. You will see the floor was pretty messy, but that was kind of helping me to just get all stuff in one place and then deciding more easily where everything is going to go. I wasn't exactly planning on filming my face, and now this video is kind of like me being that woman from Tom and Jerry, but yeah, I'm compromising that with my beautiful sweater, and it's Bambi, and it's just such an amazing one. So I will show you later the way it really looks. In these drawers, I was basically having a lot of stuff that were for college, and it was quite messy because every time I had like a notebook or something, I was just putting everything into that drawer. So I think it's a really amazing idea to just redecorate everything. As you can see, here are the items for now on the floor. Then we are doing the top part. I am showing you my little purse where I'm keeping my iPad. It's really adorable, so we're putting that away. And I am basically unpacking in a way this organizer of mine. And as I said, I just put everything outside the table so that the table would be empty and I would really see each and every item so that I would know where that will go or whether I will throw it away or something like that. Now this is supposed to be my fun drawer, and I am keeping all of my stickers and stuff that I use for planning. But as you can see, it's pretty messy, so maybe those stuff will find a place somewhere else. I have my stickers from my own shop, I have other stickers, I also have some like notebooks and sketchbooks. And actually this Star Wars notebook is very special to me because it's keeping me organized and I'm writing down the ideas that I have in it, so it's a very special notebook. And now here comes the cleaning, but also I'm showing you my Bambi sweater, and let's just take a moment to appreciate how beautiful and warm it is. Then again, how can you not be warm when there is a beautiful deer on your sweater? But I will not talk about deer in this video because then I will talk the whole video about deer. Anyways, let's get back to the content. Well, as you could have seen, I was just cleaning a little bit, putting a disinfection so that it would be nice and clean when I put my stationery on it. As you can see, I was having a lot of mess here, and again, I'm just putting everything on the floor, and it was also very fun to rediscover actually what kind of stuff I was having in there. For example, there was this little cute brush just being there on his own, and his other brothers are actually in my house that I have on another place. So I don't exactly know what the purpose is for this little brush, but for now he's going to have to be alone until I also get my other brushes and other watercoloring materials here. Here I also have some stickers and sticky notes, and I actually want to have a really nice place where I would basically just keep all of my stationery in one place. And here it is, a mess on the floor. Yeah, and now that this is settled, what we have next is probably one of my favorite parts, and that is when all of it is coming together and we are putting everything back, but of course pretty and organized and honestly ready to be a mess in a couple of days. But we are ignoring that for now and we are pretending like everything is going to be so perfect in a couple of days. I'm kind of keeping this place on my desk the same pretty much because I don't exactly like this desk too much. It's just quite long and then the organization is harder, but I'm working the way I have it, so that place will kind of be the same with all my basic stationery, washi tapes, and also with my pencil case. And this is where my organizer gets handy, and I also put here my box where I also put some of my stickers and Adam, but you probably know him from previous videos. And here I decided to keep my stamps. I don't have a lot of them, but those that I have are there. And I also keep my printer here and some rolls for the printer. Here is the actual footage of how I'm taking everything from the floor and putting it where it belongs. And then the other shelf is basically also some type of storage for my previous journals, for other stationery that I use but not as much. Also for some of my technical stuff, for example, batteries and headphones and stuff like that. And I'm also having this kind of Christmassy doll, and that's basically it. And again, I'm having this green organizer. It's not the prettiest kind of bag because I don't like this shade of green, but it's the only one I have for now, so it is going to be good. And I'm also putting some stationery that I use, but not as much. Then we have a Marie tag that I got from that one store. And we have our BTS cards and also some highlighters. Again, the stickers, and this drawer is basically kind of good to go. We're just placing some stuff in that bag. My sticky notes sticker, that is actually a pretty fun and interesting site to buy stickers. I'm not sponsored or anything, I just feel the idea of like monthly stickers description being so awesome. As for this part, I'm not keeping this college related as I did previously, but instead I'm using this for my notebooks. As you can see, there is this bookmark, actually two of them, and we'll see what that's going to be, but for now it's just this. And on the right side we are actually having something new that I came up with, and this drawer is going to be all about my sticker shop. So we have our Star Wars idea notebook. We also have some letters that I'm going to be sending stickers in. So I don't know how that is going to go exactly, but this kind of drawer is going to be for that. And now in this part, I'm just organizing my stickers. For example, those are mine, those are then not mine. And this is, for example, a one great sticker from my vintage collection on Etsy. And one pile is going to be just my stickers, and then the other pile is going to be other stickers, and then those other ones are going to be on the shelf that I was mentioning and showing you before. And this drawer is basically just going to be for my own stickers. I have a lot of collections now, and I want to print them out as much as possible. So I think that having a special place just for my stickers and my shop is actually a really good idea. So I promise that I will try to really keep up with that. Also, now as you're watching me organizing my stickers, I have this opportunity to mention that I really enjoyed making this type of video. It is more like a vlog, but it's also so fun, and I wish I could have filmed more in the stores. I was kind of shy, I have to admit, but then again, I believe that those B-roll videos and vlog-like videos are actually pretty fun. I also enjoy watching room decoration videos on YouTube. So I hope that if you made it this far, you're also enjoying this type of video and you're having a nice time watching me organizing, making a mess, and stuff like that. This might not be the revolutionary kind of room redecoration and then me coming up with this beautiful, beautiful room, but it is a realistic one, so I hope that you enjoy just me showing you my stuff, showing you my room and the way I keep it without pretending, without sabotaging anything. This is just a real deal, and I think that this type of approach is pretty good for this kind of video because a lot of people also don't have a perfect room. They would like to have it as much as me, but their rooms are not as perfect as those Pinterest ones. So this is a very down-to-earth video, but again, I hope you really enjoy it. And now it is time to take a look of what I've done and to compare it of how it was. Are you guys ready? So here it is. So yeah, as I said, it's pretty modest, but I'm showing you the honest kind of version of this segment of my room. And believe me, for the Christmas time, it is going to be so much more crazier, so look forward to that. I really love this corner of my room because this is where I basically keep all of my favorite stuff in general. Then again, other favorites are in the closet. But yeah, I really enjoy being in this part of room and on my desk, just bullet journaling and planning the themes, etc. So I really hope that you enjoy seeing this part of me that is behind the camera.